Namaste student, myself JV Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, and our subject is genetic engineering, and today's session is blotting techniques. In this we are going to study southern blotting, northern blotting and western blotting. So first of all, we will discuss what is blotting. A blot in molecular biology and genetics is a method of transferring protein, DNA or RNA into a carrier. The term blotting refers to the transfer of biological samples from a gel to a membrane and their subsequent detection on the surface of the membrane. Technique for transferring RNA, DNA, and proteins onto a carrier so they can be separated and often follows the use of a gel electrophoresis. So what are the types of blotting? There are three techniques of blotting. Southern blot, it is used to detect DNA. Northern blot, it is used to detect RNA. Western blot, it is used to detect protein. So first of all, we'll discuss southern blotting. A southern blotting is a method used in molecular biology for detection of a specific DNA sequence in DNA sample. Southern blotting combines transfer of electrophoresis separated DNA fragments to a filter membrane and subsequent fragment detection by probe hybridization. The method is named after its inventor, British biologist Edwin Mellor Southern. Its principle is the key to this method is hybridization. Hybridization, it is the process of forming a double-stranded molecule between a single-stranded DNA probe and a single-stranded target DNA. There are two important features of hybridization. The reactions are specific. The probes will only bind to targets with a complementary sequence. The probe can be one molecule of target in a mixture of million of related but non-complementary molecules. Step involved in southern blotting. First of all, extract and purify DNA from cells. DNA is restricted with enzyme separated by electrophoresis, denature DNA. Then transfer the nitrocellulose paper. Then add label probe for hybridization to take place. Then wash off unbound probe. After this, autoradiography. In autoradiography, if the probe is radioactive, the particles emit when exposed to X-ray film. There will be dark spots on the film wherever the probe bounds. So what are the application? To identify specific DNA in a DNA sample, to isolate desired DNA from construction of rDNA, identify mutations, deletion, and gene rearrangement, used in prognosis of cancer and in parental diagnosis of genetic diseases, in RFLP, and it is also diagnosis of HIV-1 and infectious disease, and in DNA fingerprinting. In this paternity and maternity testing, criminal identification and forensic, and in personal identification. What are the advantages? Effective way to detect a specific gene sequence in large complex DNA sample. It can be used to quantify the amount of present DNA, and it is cheaper than DNA sequencing. So what are the disadvantages? More expensive than most other tests, and it is complex and labor intensive, time consuming and cumbrance. So next one is northern blotting. Northern blotting is a technique for detection of a specific RNA sequence. Northern blotting was developed by James Alvin and George Starr at Stanford University and named such by analogy of southern blotting. What are the steps involved in northern blotting? First of all, RNA is isolated from several biological samples like various tissues, various developmental stages of some tissue. RNA is more susceptible to degradation than DNA. Then the samples are loaded on gel and the RNA samples are separated according to their size on the agarose gel. The resulting gel following after electrophoresis run. After this, The gel is then blotted on a nylon membrane or a nitrocellulose filter paper by creating the sandwich arrangement. After this, the membrane is placed in a dish containing hybridization buffer with a labeled probe. Thus, it will be hybridized to the RNA on the blot that correspond to the sequence of interest. The membrane is washed to remove unbound probe. After this, the labeled probe is detected by audio radiography. In both cases, this result in formation of dark band on X-ray film. Now the expression patterns of the sequence of interest in the DNA different sample can be compared. So what are the application of Northern blotting? A standard for study of gene expression at the level of mRNA, messenger RNA transcript, in the detection of mRNA transcript size, in the study of RNA degradation, and study of RNA splicing, and in the study of RNA half-life. So what are the disadvantages of Northern blotting? The standard Northern blot means relatively less sensitive than nucleus protection assay and RT-PCR. Next, detection with multiple probe is a problem. Then if RNA samples are even slightly degraded by RNAs, the quality of the data and quantitation of expression is quite negatively affected. So this is all about the northern blotting and southern blotting technique. After this, we are going to discuss the western blotting technique. So western blotting is used for the detection of protein sample. An immunoblotting technique based on the specificity and binding between a protein of interest and a probe to allow detection of the protein interest. The SDS page technique is a prerequisite for western blotting. What are the steps in western blotting? In this, a protein sample is subjected to electrophoresis on an SDS polyacrylamide gel. Then after this, electroblotting transfers the separated proteins from the gel to the space surface of the nitrocellular membrane. Then the blot is incubated with a generic protein which binds to any remaining sticky places on the nitrocellulose. Then an antibody that is specific for the protein of interest is added to the nitrocellulose sheet and reacts with an antigen. After this, washing for removal of non-specific bound AB1, second antibody AB2 is added. So what are the application of this Western blotting technique? The confirmatory HIV test, and it is used as a definite test for B bovine spongiform encephalopathy, and some form of Lyme disease testing employ Western blotting. So this is all about blot techniques and southern blot, northern blot, and western blot technique. So hope you like this video. This video is generated by JVW Digital 2.0 version. And if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.